Good morning, children. Today we are learning story writing with the help of pictures of first worksheet. Here we have 6 pictures. This we already discussed in our Zoom class, isn't it? So what you can see here in the picture, in the first picture you can see that a little girl started. The little girl came onto the top of the hills. So she wants to see what are the things available near the hills. As she is a little girl, she is scared of watching the dragon. Slowly, after watching that, she started following the dragon, what he is going to do. In the second picture, she is simply following him. Then, when the dragon had left over from the place, she was surprised to see there is a treasure. You can see it is filled with crowns. It is very precious thing. She was amazed to see and thought that is the dragon hiding it or saving it from others. Now, because of her reaction or with the footsteps which has been noticed by the dragon turned suddenly. And started to scare the girl. Then later, they had a proper conversation between the two, and they both become friends. Then later, finally she came back to home and she narrated the whole story to her grandmother. Now let us write it. So, I named it as Dragon Tale. T-A-L-E, tale is nothing but a story. T-A-L-E, tale. So, we are beginning with there was a dragon on the top of the hills. One day, the little girl went on the top of the hills. There lived a dragon. She was amazed to see such a big dragon. She had never seen before. It was fearful, means which make her to fear. The girl was frightened. Then she decided to follow the dragon. The dragon moved to some distance. The girl is standing still as the dragon walked. The girl noticed treasure on the hill. The girl was astonished to see the treasure the dragon has. Then the dragon noticed someone's appearance and turned back. He saw the girl and threatened her. She began to run. Later, the girl spoke with the dragon in polite way, and they both became friends. Finally, the girl reached home and narrated the whole story to grandmother. Syllable. A syllable is a unit of word with a single vowel sound and one or more consonants sounds. The words that have only one syllable and in ICK, the words that have more than one syllable end in IC. So what they are saying here, we have the words like ICK and IC, both pronounced in ik. But here they are saying that syllable means, for example, school. We are pronouncing this in only one way, school, go, come. Even though the spellings are different, but we are pronouncing that in a single way. And here some of the examples what they have given, like brick, quick, trick. These are the words which are pronounced in a single way. This is called one syllable. If you are pronouncing any word in a two parts, that is called disyllable. For some words we have trisyllables. For example, English is a word where we use two words, English. So here we have two syllables. So let us complete these words with ICK or IC. So the first one, BRICK, brick. Second one, TRAFFIC, traffic. Third one, TERRIFIC, terrific. QUICK, quick. Fifth one, PICNIC, picnic. SPE, space, CIC, space, CFIC, fic, specific. TRICK, trick. BASIC, basic. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.